Hey, if you are using Go High Level Funnel and you need the proper tracking, then you will need to install the Google Tag Manager. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install your Google Tag Manager on your funnel. We need to come on the Google Tag Manager at first. I click on the Google Tag Manager. Here, you need to create an account. If you don't have account, you need to create an account from here. I have already an account, so I'm going to open that. After open the account, in the top of the navigation, you can see this is a Google Tag Manager container ID. So you need to click on it. Here, you need to paste this head code. So I need to copy this code and need to inject on the Go High Level funnel. So let me copy this. After this, let me go on the funnel. To do that, we need to click on Site. Then open a funnel. Let me open a funnel from here. After click on the funnel, we need to click on Settings. Here is the head tracking code option and body tracking code option. I'm going to paste the head tracking code. Here I pasted. I ignore the bottom script that may be used for another reason. So here my Google Tag Manager head code is pasted. After this, I need to go back on the Google Tag Manager again and I need to copy the body code. Here I copy it. Then let me go on the Go High Level again. And here is the body tracking code option. I pasted the body code. Then scroll down. And here is the save button. Save it. Now the Google Tag Manager is installed on this funnel. Now let's check and verify. To make sure, we need to copy the funnel link. We need to go on the Google Tag Manager and here is the test your website option. I enter the website URL here and click on test. As we can see, we get a green tick. That means the Google Tag Manager is installed. If it's not installed, it will show like this message. In our funnel, it's installed. So we can now set up the tracking using Google Tag Manager. If you create any new funnel and want to make sure you're tracking, then you have to must install the Google Tag Manager on your new funnel. So if you have any confusion, feel free to comment, and if you need anything else, that's the very simple step. That way we can install our Google Tag Manager on the funnel. If this video is helpful, you can subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.